How to delete Google account or Gmail account permanently. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile on top right corner of your screen. Then simply you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Again, click on your profile. After you click on your profile, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and click on Manage your Google account. In here, you'll find Search button on top right corner of your screen. Click on Search button and search Delete. After you search Delete, you'll simply find Delete Account option. Click on Delete your account. Then simply you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, verify it's you by using your password of your lock screen. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you can also download your information of your Google. Scroll down and make sure there's tick mark in both the yes option. Make sure to read all the list of rules. After that, simply click on delete account and your account will be deleted. This is how to delete Google account or Gmail account permanently. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.